Oh Lord, hear me. Lord, please send her to me. Lord, please send her to me. Cross my heart.
Hola, I got a bola, chips, rum and cola, remote controller sitting on the sofa watching talking to Hopa, talking about hip-hop, talking to Corner, talking how he made his money but he had to kick rocks. Overcame the obstacles, all the gossip possible, overcame the people that told him it was impossible. I just wanna do it too and I got less to worry about. We about to get it in, if you ain't with it, hurry out. Yeah, it's showtime, no Apollo. Geez, just follow me, this ain't Halloween. Take the mask off, fake ass half off rappers. Talk shit, act hard, back off after. The bandwagon's filling up, back off faster. These days, I got my 2020 on. You be talking plenty shit, but only when the Henny's gone. I fly above it, matter of fact, I fucking love it. Get your money's worth and then I'll probably see you out in public. Get your money's worth and then I'll probably see you out in public, rocking at my shows. You say that you don't like the music, you just like the hoes. I bet you like the mirror, then you getting kinda close. Ha ha, you bitch ass. Worst thing I ever did is ditch class, and I still get the bad broads that want the bad boys. I'm in the venue and I'm making mad noise. Get on my damn level, less trouble, give me bass. Got the best show on earth, so I'm yelling, give me space. It's a lot of rappers talking how they won't shine. I'm the only one doing it, and so they want mine. What's a boy to do?